looking back, I think it's fair to say that the Newry Mourn, as it was then, was the first council to have an Irish language officer. I think most of us would still remember Malcolm Scott v. Goberenson. Also, one of the first councils, I think the first, to have Irish language translations during any of its committee meetings. The Custom na Gaeilge was mostly run in Irish and had simultaneous translation on at the same time. And I think we have to recognise the pioneering things that the council did. So it's with great pleasure that I'm going to ask Councillor Mark Murnan, to say a few words to officially begin proceedings. Okay.
Thank you. I'd probably not need that. As chairman of Newry Mourn and Down District Council, it is a pleasure for me to welcome you to this wonderful occasion, celebrating the work of local writer Raymond O'Kieran. Welcome, that is, to Chulainn, the House of Cullen, which played a significant role in Setanta Cú Uladh's story. It was Chulainn, reputedly located on the slopes of that most mystical mountain, Gael, behind me, that Setanta slew the great hound and secured his name, Cú Uladh, Cullen's hound. It is an honour to launch the latest creation of Crossmaglen native Raymond and his illustrator, the wonderfully talented artist Dara Valade from Armagh City, and Ernst Wessel Reimer. It is timely that this ancient tale is given a 21st century update in the vernacular Irish of Ulster. As we face a time of great uncertainty regarding the role of Ulster in a post-Brexit Ireland, and recognising that this ancient tale painted a picture of collaboration and dissent, war and love, death and rebirth, depicting that very human condition that is played out in all cultures, languages, and people on this planet. Dara's signature artwork reflects the local story made universal in a very Ulster interpretation. The stories of the Ulster cycle were first written down by 7th century learned and creative monks who knew the local landscape intimately. The tales of Cú Uladh are cherished by all, and indeed the main character has been an enduring symbol of both the main traditions in Ulster for centuries. It is noteworthy that this book is launched in the council district, which is home to so many of the place names referred to in the epic tales of Cú Uladh: Slievegullin, Carrickatug, and the Gap of the North. And indeed, it is noted in the annals of Setanta, was born in Dundalgan, just over the Ring of Gullin, and made his way to Navan Fort through this rich landscape that still echoes the past deeds of the Hound of Ulster, through the work of the celebrated poets and singers of Oriel, and more recent achievements of the heroes of on playing fields and the rising stars of traditional musicians like Pyrrhus O'Loughlin and Eo Moraho. Once again, congratulations, Raymond and Dara, on this fabulous collaboration that retells the ancient story of the Hound of Ulster with a very pronounced 21st century spin on the tale. And I've just returned from China a week ago, and in a trip to China, we visited the sculpture park in Changchun, who Newry and Mourn District Council has now signed a friendship agreement. And on our way around that, we spotted on the sculpture the Hound of Ulster. And it's a testament, I suppose, to the culture and tradition here that has made its way around the world. And it's artists from this area that created the sculpture in this world-famous sculpture park. So, thank you for your attendance here tonight. Gormiaga.